What's up, guys? My name is Adam and this is Broke Man Finance. Today has been a crazy day in the market. If you're watching this, you probably already realize what's been going on with GameStop and the short squeeze, and the share price just exploding this week with Elon Musk even tweeting about it. And now we're seeing the same thing happening with some other stocks. GameStop literally made people millionaires this week. Not sure if you're on the Reddit forums or not, but if you do get on there, there's still a lot of chatter, and has been for a couple days now, about AMC, BlackBerry, Nokia, and there's some other ones in the mix, but those are the kind of the big three that people are looking at right now and that had major days today. But who is the best play out of those three? This time a week ago, AMC was a $2 chuck, and they almost hit $20 today, and I think they still can, maybe tomorrow or Friday. BlackBerry was just a little bit over $12 a week ago, and today they were closing in on $30 per share. And then there was Nokia, who's been trading around the $4 range for a long time now, it seems like, and they were up nearly 100% today at one point. Now in the after hours, Nokia, AMC, and BlackBerry have all started dropping a little bit. That share price has started to tumble some, and people on these forums, the chatter is just that people kind of freaking out, but you got to have strong hands if you're trying to do with these stocks that people have done with GameStop. So, but I wouldn't freak out too much about it. So on Monday, GameStop jumped up to $159 on Monday. Then it dropped, it dropped by nearly half, only to rise back up to $147 on Tuesday. And then Elon Musk tweeted about it, and by around 11 o'clock this morning, it was up over $370. It was $17 at the beginning of this month. But out of the three, BlackBerry, Nokia, and AMC, which one do I think is the best play right now? I say Nokia. Now, I've got a little skin in the game with each of them. I threw a little bit in there just to, hey, YOLO, right? But if you're looking for a YOLO position out of those three, I got to go with Nokia. If I'm thinking worst case scenario, and let's say, you know what, I put a little money in there and I don't get it sold in time, or let's just say it tanks and I get stuck holding one of the three, I want to get stuck holding Nokia more than I do BlackBerry and AMC. Reason is, well, for one, I feel like they are better suited for future growth with their 5G networks and their presence in Europe. Another reason is, I think they have more upside because of the low share price. I feel like they're a better value right now. Even with the stuff that's getting baked into the share price, I still think they're a little more reasonable than AMC and BlackBerry. I think those two got out front a little bit before Nokia, and Nokia's just now catching up with the hype. I think they came in a little bit late to the party, to this short squeeze party. So I think there's a little more room to run with Nokia on that end. And I just believe that this is going to be a better long-term hold if it were to turn into that. It's only a loss when you sell. So if I did lose money and that share price dropped and I got caught holding that bag, then I would be less nervous about holding Nokia long-term, and with the anticipation of eventually that share price moving back up and I would get my money back. If you're bullish on AMC or BlackBerry, I'm not talking trash about it. They certainly have some things going for them too. Moving to the future, I think the brick and mortar though for AMC has been hurting the revenue. Obviously, the brick and mortar stores with COVID going on. But I know they have some streaming options too. I don't know how well it's working out for them, but BlackBerry's got their security software too. And you know, who knows how disruptive their technology is going to be moving forward. And so I believe that Nokia is probably the best setup. Only if you're looking for something that you wouldn't mind holding out of those three. If you had to pick one, like I'm saying now, I would go with Nokia out of the three. However, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope Nokia hits $100 tomorrow. I hope AMC and BlackBerry, I hope they all move up just as much as GameStop, and everybody makes a lot of money that took a chance on those. And I hope you don't get caught holding a bag. By all means, I am no financial advisor. I am not saying that you should do that or anything. It is a complete gamble when you start doing this. but it does make things a little bit fun and exciting in the market. And hats off to the folks that made a lot of money on GameStop. Pretty jealous.